Alright guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a meme like this on Instagram. This is on Instagram, right? Alright, look. All you want to do on Safari, nothing else. Do not use any other web browser. Just use Safari. Use your main web browser. This will work better on it because it'll download the image like in a different format. Look up, do you love the color of the sky? And then save the first photo that pops up. So this is the one. Press add to photos. Alright, to my photos. I'll go back to Instagram. And by the way, you can Photoshop any picture of the length of this thing. But here, let's go here. Make sure you press these two lines and just squeeze it out. It should look glitchy like that. Next. So it's loaded up. You should see an arrow. It's like done because it's like a weird format that Instagram has to like process. So next, and add a caption. Say hello. There. And then post sharing. Come on. See, this is me. Oh, whoa, why is that so long? Mine's like really long. Yeah. You can add whatever photos you want to it on this Photoshop app. Here, I'll be showing you next tutorial on how to do this. Please subscribe, like this video. Peace.